My name is Moses from CET. I'm the recruiter, and let me tell you about our programs we have to offer here. We got automotive specialists, we have green building construction, HVAC technician, CNC machinist, truck driver, and welding fabrication. Now let me show you around.
I'm Michael Weaver here at CET. Man, we learned so much at the automotive program. I've learned how to do engine swaps, change transmissions, to doing tire and rotors.
Hi, I'm Vince Ramirez. I'm the Industrial Relations Specialist, and here at CET, we offer job placement.
My name is Maggie. No money for school, no problem. Here at CET, we offer financial aid for those who qualify.
Here at CET, I've obtained hands-on training.
Hi, my name is Cecilia Avila. I am the Resource Retention Specialist at CET. We can assist you with overcoming your barriers, and we can also assist you with GED prep classes. I'm Wendy at CET Colton. I'm the basic skills instructor. I cover job prep, customer service, and computer basics.
CET Colton offers truck driver training.
CET has a welding program, and it's not just for males.